BMG LABTECH is the microplate reader company. BMG LABTECH has always focused on one area of life science and drug discovery technology, designing quality microplate readers. The PHERAstar FS is the most advanced and versatile microplate reader that has ever been produced. The PHERAstar FS was designed to significantly outperform any other microplate reader in any assay technology. When a lab requires speed, the PHERAstar FS is the fastest reader available. If a method demands sensitivity or detection of low volumes, no other microplate reader performs better. The PHERAstar FS sets the performance bar for advanced detection methods like TR-FRET, alpha screen, and cell-based assays with no compromises for other detection modes. The PHERAstar FS uses a unique blend of technologies not found on any other microplate reader. 3 excitation sources comprised of 2 lasers and a high-frequency broadband light source. For detection, the PHERAstar FS has 4 photomultiplier tubes incorporating simultaneous dual emission and a UV visible spectrometer for instant full spectral analysis. Exquisite German engineering allows the PHERAstar FS to read more quickly and precisely than other instruments. Multiple internal references, the new high-performance flash lamp, and lasers for alpha screen and time-resolved fluorescence assays are features other instruments don't offer. It can even measure 3, 4, 5, 6 well plates in flying mode using dual emission detection. Advanced assays such as FP, FRET, BRET, and TR-FRET all greatly benefit from dual emission detection. In some assays, error rates are decreased by a factor of 1,000, allowing for greater sensitivity, larger windows, and higher Z-prime values. This all adds up to one thing. The PHERAstar FS can measure faster than any other microplate reader without sacrificing performance for speed. For flexibility, the PHERAstar FS has an absorbance spectrometer that enables convenient selection of any wavelength, from the low UV up to the near infrared, with 1 nanometer resolution. The spectrometer allows you to collect an entire UV visible spectrum in less than 1 second per well. Never select wavelengths again. You can have all wavelengths all the time. For time-resolved fluorescent assays, the PHERAstar FS can be equipped with a UV laser. The specific high-energy excitation laser allows many labs to decrease their reagent concentration several-fold. And because of the laser's stability and rapid flash rate, the PHERAstar FS is the only instrument capable of measuring time-resolved FRET assays in flying mode in 3, 4, 5, 6 well plates, outperforming even CCD-based instruments. With a PHERAstar FS, some labs will increase their throughput by a factor of 10, while still saving on reagent costs. The PHERAstar FS was designed for cell-based screening assays that rarely work on other microplate readers. Using specialized bottom optics and an advanced focusing system to directly detect cells in a monolayer, the PHERAstar FS produces data that is superior to other microplate readers and most plate imagers. For challenging GFP cell-based assays, the PHERAstar FS is 3 times more sensitive than other high-end microplate readers that use fiber optic or liquid-filled light guides. It can even scan the entire well surface and correct for variable staining or uneven cell coverage. With reagent injectors, the PHERAstar FS can measure rapid kinetic events like luciferase or calcium responses in live cells. The injectors are fully integrated into the reader platform and don't require an external accessory or modified footprint. The system can inject into 384 well plates with 2 different reagents at the same time as measurement. Injection at the point of measurement allows for very fast reactions to be properly observed, up to 50 points per second. The PHERAstar FS is the world's premier microplate reader. No other instrument can match it for performance or speed. It is the next generation HTS microplate reader. BMG LABTECH is the microplate reader company.